Его вообще он снесло. Он заехал. Да вон куда-то заехал.
Давай, давай, проходим!
Кома троса!
Да.
Пиздец нахуй, все, блядь.
Во, назад давай, блядь.
Maybe the rescue of the bulldozer would have gone well if the accident hadn't happened.
Давай, давай, проходим!
The Ural truck was unable to cross the glacier on its own. Fortunately, it was helped by the vehicle ahead. Impressive to see the Kamas cross the glacier with ease. I'm impressed with the great minds of Russia. The car has a powerful engine block and is fitted with a sprocket to increase grip on the ice. These are Russian cars, but they won't sink anywhere. It's crazy. I bet you'll never see trucks wading through the water like submarines. This is the Tresovo-Kambarka section that crosses the Kamar River, where cars get stuck very often. Fortunately, the tractor did not fall into the water. Very quickly the tractor helped it out of the danger area. The Bulldozer T11 is struggling to get out of the ice hole it created. It seems that the car is too bulky and old to get through that hole. The bulldozer persisted through the hole without thinking that it needed help. This is just one of many difficulties these trucks have to overcome to get to Narymar. Although the car is six-wheel drive, it cannot help but overcome this uncomfortable road, perhaps due to its heavy load. Can you guess what caused the Camas to cross such a shallow stream filled with gravel? This Valentina was made especially for such roads and conditions, so don't panic, she's in her element. The powerful car deliciously crosses the glacier, respecting those behind the wheel. The winter road uses Salukis after the blizzard and the difficult journey of the cars.
Вот так здесь на зимнике умирают. Все.
Орел.
The bulldozer made the move to the troll, but because the driver was inexperienced, he had to back down. It was not until the second time after the alignment that the bulldozer could safely climb onto the troll. Let's see the tractor driver showing a spectacular turn on a very narrow road.
Пиздец нахуй, все, блядь.
Во, назад давай, блядь.
Smart driver.
Блядь, его несет нахуй.
He made
Ёб
everything
твою
clear,
мать, блядь.
and the tank crossed the road when the truck was folded.
Только полбака у него вытекло, полбака еще есть.
Если на нас...
Ну вот.
Можно, еще можно.
The sunken tractor and the spectacular rescue of the real heroes.